how long. Oh, there's already been a car that had to go around him. Yeah, I don't know if he's sitting back, staring, looking at me, see what I'm doing, watching me the entire time, but he's just sitting in the left lane for no reason. It's supposed to be for passing. He just camping out. Holding up this car. This car can't pass this car in the right lane. It's in the right lane. This box truck is sitting. Blocking up the left lane. Right in front of this car up here in the right lane. Literally could just sped up and then got over at a safe distance. People, trucks and stuff. 18-wheelers and cars in general do that. Merges are getting close. For no reason. It's not like you gotta. You gotta hear me get over. There'll be nothing in front of them. I was like, oh, let me. Nothing chasing them on the road. They'll just pass and they'll just cut you off. Speed back and go back to speeding. Like, what the heck is that all about? Getting mad because I'm not going fast enough for you. Driving a truck speed limit or something. Not going fast enough for you. I'm mad because you gotta climb a hill. We're all doing the same exact crap. You just want to be lighter, lighter load that day. Or just not used to a heavy freight. That's just another thing I can't stand. It's like chasing you up the road, or he cut you off, merge right in front of you, and you have to change lanes to pass him, go go around them and all that. Just went on up the road, merged over at safety, and go up the road. I won't have to pass anymore. See what I'm doing.
You are approaching a way station. Please prepare to exit for the way station.
I know there's a new truck parking area on this US 23 route on the left here. Oh, wait. No, wait, okay. No, there's one on the left. They just built these. That's cool. Got them on both sides now. Especially in early morning hours. Break and stuff, night hours and stuff. You come through here. Instead of trying to go all the way down to the truck stops in Circleville, Ohio. Stop right here. The only thing about it, they don't have any facilities. I don't know why they keep building these places without bathrooms, restrooms. I mean, or these play John's out. So this truck driver can use the restroom. Further out, truck parking areas and stuff like that.
2 miles ahead, stay on US 23 south as it bears right.
Hey. work sites on the highway that have
1 mile
other
ahead,
places.
stay on US 23 south as it bears right.
PS work zone. Where's the road? Oh, right lane is drop your speed, speed is 45, 50. Once you start driving through it, nothing out there.
0.3 miles ahead, stay on US 23 south as it bears right.
Or they haven't finished.
Stay on US 23 south as it bears right.
Wrapping everything up.
Miles ahead, take ramp to Ohio 823 South Southern Ohio Veterans Memorial Highway.
There he goes again. Probably back in the left lane again. It was over here. Guess we only did shoot barrel off, barrel off, barrel off, whatever. Barrel off. There you go. There you go. It's confusing. I do the same thing sometimes. I'll stay. When you bear off, I'll stay in that outer lane, just in case I have to, it forks off again or another I have to exit on that left side. Left lane or the right lane is going to end or something. I'll just stay in that the left or outer lane or I should say inner lane, outer whatever. And left lane. There's the case. Alright. Stuff you gotta do on the road. Deal with on the road. Looks like he's stop acting weird and stuff. Just want to show you, point out a few things. Stuff you gotta deal with on the road. Stuff you don't see.